O yan ang meron. May nag-text! May magbubulat.
Ay, baba muna, baba muna.
Denise Satanes. So how did you come up with that costume?
Kapitan mo, Jay.
Effort!
I love you, B!
Forward answer. Okay. Now, so how did you relate your costume with our Philippine people? So, could you discuss with us the details of your costume?
So, Tagalog na kasi Pilipino natin. So, yung hamnong... So...
Processing!
Ano po yung nakatayo kaya ako na lang sa Tagalog. So, yung half nung costume namin is yung sa community setting, ay yung normal lang siya. Then, yung gusto naming ma-achieve is yung progress. So, yung yung half is parang siya, yung gusto naming ma-attain is yung community, kaya rin mag-adapt yun sa future or yung natin, yung
Technology.
yung modern set. How come?
Come again.
Yun yung come again.
Thank you, Mr. Dennis and Mr. Bernard.